Assalamualaikum, madam. My name is Zarees bin Amit, and we also have Marziydie bin Maharoof and also Ezmith Ujang Syah bin Khairulhizam. Now we are going to present our group project, which is the wireframe for Engren.net. So why we choose this website? So due to the fact that this website is a complete mess and also have numerous issues. So from that we think that we have to rebuild and also redesign this website so that it can become significantly better from the standpoint of informational architecture and also design. So we believe that customers' attention must be captured as soon as possible when they started to browse our website. So in order to accomplish this, it is very critical to construct and also to create a wireframe for this website so that we can develop the website in order to be able to produce a good website.
I'm Ezmith Ujang, and I'm going to talk about the website platform. So the first website platform that I'm going to talk about is Teamwagon. So Teamwagon is basically one of the most well-known website that provides a lot of templates. Sometimes it is free and sometimes it is not, but most of them are really low cost in setup. So features for this team wagon is firstly they provide e-commerce template, and secondly they also provide admin and dashboards. So it is a common administration operation, server information, and project news updates from the review board. So next features they have is Bootstrap. So Bootstrap are scaffolds, blueprints, or fundamental layouts that don't include any additional styling beyond what comes included with the Bootstrap framework. And next, I'm going to talk about the advantages for this platform. So like I said earlier, it is a very low cost setup and it is fast. You can save a lot of time and it is also user friendly. The next platform that I'm going to talk about is Adobe XD, or also known as Adobe Experience Design. So the features for this website is they have a repeat grid. It assists in the creation of a grid for a repeating objects like lists and photo galleries. And the second features, they also have admin and dashboards. It creates animated prototypes through linking artboards. And lastly, they have uh, plugins. So Experience Design or XD is compatible with custom plugins that add additional features and uses. So the advantages for Adobe Experience Design is tutorials they provide tutorials for starters, so it is easier for people to get familiar with this application, and it is totally free of charge. It is free to use. And lastly, they have a lot of plugins. They have huge plugins and stock libraries. So plugins also give you the option of quickly creating and copying CSS or HTML codes. So that is Adobe Experience Design.
Okay, now moving on to the web content. We have seven content on our website. The first one is the home page. Next we have the categories, wish list, your cart, checkout, hot deals, and also about us and contact us section. For the home page, it briefly explains what the website is about, and what the information is expected to be found. Inside this website, the home page includes menu options including About Us, Contact Us, Categories, Hot Deals, Your Cart, and also Wish List. And it also includes the images of the products that were available on the website. Second one is the categories. The categories menu on the categories page will take the customer to a list of items that our website offered. The categories will also be in alphabetical order to make it easier for the customer to find what they are looking for. The third one is the wish list. The wish list feature is a tool that allows customers to save anything that they're interested in for future reference. Moving on to the fourth, fourth section, which is your cart. So the cart is a tool that allows consumers to gather products that are ready to be bought into one convenient place. Next is the checkout. It is a set of steps that the customer must complete in order to complete their purchase of the product in their online shopping cart. Next is the hot deals. All of the goods or products that are subject to sales promotion are grouped together in this area. Hot deals items, on the other hand, are limited time offer that will vary from time to time. Next is about us and also contact us. A brief history of the company and the company business certificate is also provided, as well as the information on what the owner formerly did for a living. In the contact information section, the contact information is also provided in this area, including phone number and also email address, which to assist the customers in obtaining assistance whenever necessary by contacting the administrative person. Moving on to the organization scheme on this website. First thing first is that we apply the exact organization scheme. All of the products on this website are grouped or divided into different categories based on the product type. As you can see in the image below, the categories on the left side are all arranged in the form of alphabetical order so that the customer will easily find what the item they are looking for. And at the top part, we can see there is a sort by option where the customer can sort the products based on the popularity, the newest products, and also the oldest product that we have. And also the customer can customize the number of product images that will be shown in one pages into for example, here we have 20 pages 20 images for one page, so the customer can also customize how many images that they want to see for one page. Okay, next is the alphabetical organization style. So as I mentioned before, the category lists are arranged according to the alphabetical order from A to Z, and the creation and the categorization of the content inside the system is quite straightforward for information architect. Next is the visualization. We ensure a good visualization to provide visual aids to customers. Product images are presented in boxes with product information such as name and price of the product placed beneath the product images and in the same box. The product images are ensured to be of excellent quality and to be of the same size, and they are displayed neatly to minimize confusion and to ensure the consistency throughout the site. The fourth is the color scheme. So the use of flashy colors, which may be bothersome to some visitors, is completely restrained on our website. So the majority of the pages are white with dark red touches in some of the section.
Alright, my name is Marziydie bin Maharoof, and now we are moving on to the navigation system. As for the navigation system, we applied the Global Navigation System. Global Navigation System is known as the site-wide navigation bar. The Global Navigation System is displayed on every page of the website. As you can see the example on the right side of this slide, the bar is located at the top of the page and consists a set of links that allow the user to navigate to the top level page of a website, as well as a link to the home page of that website. And this kind of navigation bar will direct user to the particular page that the bar indicates. For example, at the top of the website, there is About Us, Hotels, and many more of menu bar, which direct user to the particular page, a new page that containing detailed information. And we believe that this navigation system is a right choice to develop a good e-commerce website. Okay, now for the next navigation system that we use is local navigation system. We choose the horizontal navigation system as there are many use of hyperlink function, and the navigation menu is located horizontally beneath the global navigation system, which is located at the top of the website. The size of the navigation menu is likewise ideal, and they are thoughtfully arranged to provide more options to the user. There is also additional menu at the top right of the website, which is the wishlist and your cart menu. And for the last one of this navigation system is the contextual navigation system. And it is available on some part of the website because there are some options that are unfit to the structure of the global and local navigation. For example, we have top setting section, and on the right side of this slide, the example of it for the top selling section. Now we're moving on to the labeling system. For the labeling system, we focus on few features or elements such as the font type, size, color, and also the placement. This is to ensure text, caption, and label presented on the page are acceptable and most importantly, comfortable to be seen by the user. And for the languages, because of the website is globally accessible, we use English language. Alright, and for the accuracy, the label accuracy is important to avoid confusion among the customer. So we make sure that the label are absolutely accurate and present the right information to avoid misleading information. And not to be forgotten, we use the Mohd and sans serif for the font type of this website. Alright, for the searching system, we have the search engine. Understanding the behavior of the e-commerce user, choosing the good searching system with complete features is important because the user surely know what they want and what they want to search. Because of that, we use Google Shopping as the main search engine because it is one of the best search engine for online shopping site. Okay, next what we have here for the searching system is search bar position and search bar visibility. As you can see from the example provided here, the search bar is put on a strategic location which is on the top of the page, and it is big enough and clearly visible and accessible by the user. Okay, for the last one for the searching system, we have search bar on result page. Recognizing that the searching frequently does not come to an end after the first attempt, whether the result displayed do not fit the searcher's need, or whether the searcher just decide to look for something else. It is simply unfair to force them to go back to the previous page. So by including the search bar on the result page, we hope to make it easier and less frustrating for the user to do their searching.
I'm gonna talk about IA pattern. The hierarchy pattern is the most prevalent information architecture pattern on our website. There is a comparable link between the objects to that of a parent and kid. It is both broader and narrower at the same time. Additionally, since they have the same structure and are composed of similar components, we integrate the patterns with database pattern. So the conclusion, after all is said and done, information architecture or IA is a technique that helps organize and structure information found on websites and other digital platforms such as online and mobile application and social media software so that users can understand the contents of our website and its purpose. We are developing this wireframe project for arrangement.net in order for the website itself to have a better structure, a clear goal, and a well-organized collection of material. The pleasure of the user is our first goal, and the reason for rebuilding the web also to help us understanding better on the information architecture. So that is all from me, Ezmith Ujang. Thank you.